going on? So it's a little late, dark out, but I wanted to show you these new taillights that I picked up from LED guys. They are the, let's see, flashing brake LED kit. These are the 1157 bulb inserts, and they are direct fitment for the Impreza hatches and probably the sedans as well. So yeah, I didn't get too much else at Boxerfest, just some stickers, nice license plate cover, and I also did not film as much as I want to, so hopefully this makes up for it. But yeah, so go ahead and get started. Very simple, easy install. Let's get this to focus. Just come to the rear, and once you get your trunk open, get my flashlight on, you'll come to the rear and you'll see the little panel here, and inside is going to be the tail light. And so this one right here is going to be your main tail light that I'm going to be replacing with these bulbs. And so the 1157 is the bulb insert for this, so that's why it's important to make sure you change the right bulb. So as you can see here, we have the original bulb here, and this is the LED bulb that the LED guys gave. So I have this one unplugged, and I have the other one already inserted with the actual LED, so I can show you guys the difference. And then at the end, I'm going to show you this. I was actually going to get the regular LED bulbs with just, you know, no flashing brake light or anything, just to have them as backup. But they did not have the right shipment in, and they said that this was a misshipped, so it's something from China. He gave it to me on the house, said to go home and test them out, and these are actually really sick, so I can't wait to show you guys. But yeah, let me get the lights on in the car, and you'll be able to tell the difference of the original lights on the left and then the LED lights on the right. And then I'll show you what they do when they're actually when the brake is pressed. Alright, so I'm gonna have to set the phone up on the old trusty WRX, so hood scoop is definitely meant for this. So remember, the left is the old tail lights and the right is the new ones. So already you can tell that the right side, the LEDs are definitely brighter. They're not dull, and they give off really good lighting. Of course, now that they're LEDs, the camera is going to flicker just slightly. So that's the original look. And then when you have the brakes depressed, you can see the flashing. So yeah, that's it. I love these things. I've been running them for about a week now. Put them in last Sunday after I got home. So really just makes the rear end look a lot nicer, and it's awesome with the front LED lights. So it gets a nice modern look, and you can finally see with this car, and people can see you, especially at night. So now I'm going to throw in those other bulbs. There's no difference in the connections, so I'm not going to waste time with showing you guys how to connect them. It's literally just twist and turn. Oops, probably help if I didn't have that right on there, but twist and turn. There's these little knobs that slide right into the slots, and that's exactly how the Chinese ones are that they gave me. So I'm gonna put those in and just show you a clip of what those look like. They're pretty cool. But all in all, yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. I'll drop the link down below if I can find it. These were about 30 bucks just for the flashing brake light kit. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get the other ones installed. And I should just show you, I don't know if I did or not, but it's, you literally just twist it and the bulb comes out just like that. And in order to get this out, you just twist it and pull up, and it's like kind of spring loaded in there. So yeah, go ahead and just flip these over now. All right, so after that mishap of dropping the light bulb into the housing, ended up getting it out. So here's the other lights. These are definitely the pull me over copper tail lights. So they're both circulating motion, kind of hard to see. Almost looks like the signals are on. These are pretty cool, but I kind of like the other ones better. So yeah, as you can see, these other lights are pretty obnoxious. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.